Hi there, my name is, and today, I want to share my incredible journey from Flab to Fab. Like many of you, I struggled with my weight for years. Junk food and overeating were my biggest weaknesses. I felt trapped in a body I didn't recognize. One day, I decided enough was enough. It was time for a change. I committed to transforming my life and shedding those extra pounds. I started hitting the gym regularly, pushing myself to the limit and embracing an active lifestyle. The sweat, the pain, it was all worth it. I also completely revamped my diet. No more fast food and sugary snacks. I made nutritious choices and learned to love cooking healthy meals. Week after week, the numbers on the scale decreased. It was a gradual process, but I felt more motivated than ever. Over time, I saw a whole new person staring back at me in the mirror. My energy levels soared, my confidence skyrocketed, and clothes that hadn't fit in years suddenly became loose. But it wasn't just about the physical changes, my mental health improved too. I discovered a love for outdoor activities like hiking and biking, and found a newfound happiness within myself. Now I'm here to inspire and motivate you. If I can do it, so can you. Don't wait any longer, start your own journey from Flab to Fab today. Thanks for watching my weight loss transformation journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content just like this. Together, we can achieve greatness.